Close your eyes and relax your eardrums. We're standing in front of a cold block of cast iron and steel, but inside it, pressure is waiting to burst loose. Can you smell the faint soot, old steel dust, and dry pine wood yet? Today, the engine history throws away the harsh, ear-splitting rev ranges. We're diving into raw mechanical sound therapy, lighting up a massive steam traction engine from zero temperature with our own hands. Get ready to feel the rising heat radiation and the steady hiss of pressure release from the age of cast metal engineering. Forcing a steam engine to come alive is never rushed. It demands endurance and precise control of thermal tolerances. The crew clears out ash from the firebox, fills the boiler to the correct level, and stacks dry wood into place. Strip away fuel injection electronics or starter motors. Every step is done manually, creating a calm frequency as human hands meet raw metal. If you enjoy watching raw mechanics and soothing mechanical sound waves, hit subscribe to the Engine History. Your support fuels the energy that keeps these legendary machines alive. The moment to light the furnace begins. Fire is fed into the chamber and dry wood crackles as it catches fire. The sound of burning wood echoes through the furnace walls, producing an incredibly calming tone while slowly warming the massive metal structure. A column of gray smoke rolls through the exhaust stack, heavy with industrial scent. The fire builds momentum, and the boiler water starts to boil. Heat expands slowly to prevent the cast iron walls from cracking. The pressure gauge needle inches forward, millimeter by millimeter, marking the buildup of stored force. This slow, patient loading process is deeply hypnotic, smoothing out every tension in the mind. While waiting for peak steam pressure, the mechanic turns to the drive system. Unlike sealed modern engines, this machine exposes all its gears, crankshaft, and connecting rods. The operator uses an oil can, dripping thick lubricant into brass bearings, one drop at a time. This manual lubrication creates a quiet bond between human and machine. Every joint soaked in oil ensures the smoothest motion possible. Heat causes the grease to vaporize, releasing that signature addictive scent. The gentle sound of metal contact produces an intensely satisfying mechanical rhythm. The load point reaches its peak. The boiler pressure gauge is fully charged. The operator grips the brass valve and opens it. Hiss. A blast of white steam surges out, driving the massive piston into motion. The giant flywheel begins its first slow rotations with remarkable smoothness. No harsh roaring, just a steady, deliberate mechanical pulse. This low-frequency repetition becomes a form of ASMR, dissolving stress. Each steam release is a pressure release, generating unstoppable torque. The engine locks into motion, maintaining its rhythm endlessly. As the rotation stabilizes, the massive machine begins to roll forward across the ground. Huge steel wheels press gently into the grass, blending with the steady hiss of steam to create a perfect mechanical harmony. This power core once plowed fields, replacing entire teams of horses to drive threshing machines. Watching it move slowly, you can feel the era of calm traction and enduring strength. The steady sound waves of cast iron erase all modern noise. Thanks for staying with the engine history. Drop your thoughts below, and may you drift into deep sleep with these mechanical rhythms.